It is August 10th, 2023. We're in the San Francisco Bay Area to get a good look at MUNI, BART, and Caltrain operations on the West Bay. Caltrain is the main commuter operator in the West Bay, servicing San Francisco to San Jose. The reason for the focus on Caltrain today is the upcoming electrification of the line. You can see the electric poles up above. These electric catenaries will provide power to Stadler Flirt trains. Once these trains are in service, Caltrain will phase out the diesel locomotives. They have a lot of old F40s and MP36PHs, as well as some older rolling stock, so it's good to catch it before it's all gone. I made my way to Redwood City to catch the next few sets of Caltrains. I made my way here for a very specific shot that you'll see later in the video with the Redwood City sign and the Caltrain in the background. This is Caltrain number 114, a local service to San Jose. This train is operated using the classic gallery cars with the F40PH leading. Arriving late, my next train, Caltrain 507, a limited service to San Francisco, pulls into Redwood City. This is the shot I had mentioned before, with Caltrain 508, limited service to San Jose. We're now transferring to the BART at Millbrae Station. Millbrae allows connection to the San Francisco airport and also connects the BART and Caltrain. This BART Legacy train is running as a Yellow Line train, stopping at Millbrae and continuing to San Francisco Airport. We'll wait for a BART Red Line train to head over to Balboa Park. BART Legacy trains are going to become rare on the network. They were officially discontinued from use on September 10, 2023, and run only as needed when sets are required on the service. At the time of recording, BART was running 10 car trains. Since then, this has changed. BART now runs 7 car trains, but runs a more frequent service at all hours of the day. BART legacy trains are about 50 years old and were built by Rohr Industries, which is an aerospace manufacturer. The trains feature pretty comfortable seats and are laid out so that longer journeys are more comfortable, as these are pretty common on the BART, being a long-distance metro. We're now at Balboa Park. This is a transfer station for MUNI Metro lines J, K, and M, and one of MUNI Metro's yards. We're on the MUNI Metro line to record some of the last running Breda LRV2 and LRV3 train sets. MUNI is replacing these train sets with the Siemens S200. This is a K-line train, but we're looking for the J-line to head over to Dolores Park for some scenic shots. The inside of these cars features more seating than the bench style found on the Siemens cars. These cars were built between 1994 and 2003 for the MUNI system. We're now at Right of Way in Liberty. I thought this spot was pretty cool because it cuts through a neighborhood. The spot was designed so that the MUNI Metro would avoid the tall grades of the street next to it. At the time of recording this video, the J line was running about every 10 minutes, meaning I had plenty of trains to catch a bunch of shots. There were a lot of Breda trains running on this line today as well, which made for some good photographing. In addition to the J line, the F line uses this right-of-way to reposition streetcars between Castro and the Cameron Beach Depot. This is one of the brand new Siemens S200 LRV4s. This is the shot at Dolores Park. This is at the top of the hill. I thought this shot is really cool because it cuts right through a park and it's full of greenery. The J line is actually the least used of all the MUNI Metro lines, and actually sees less service than a lot of the MUNI Metro bus lines, which begs the question, how necessary is this streetcar line? This is a leftover of the days when there were a lot of interurban lines in the San Francisco area. My next photo location was on Orange Avenue, very close to Balboa Park. I caught K-trains here on a pedestrian bridge used by CCSF. With the departure of Train 412, this is the end of my day catching older rolling stock in the San Francisco Bay Area. Caltrain electrification will be done sometime in 2024. BART trains are already retired, having been retired on September 10th, and the Breda trains will be retired in 2024. Thanks for watching. I have tons of other videos of the Caltrain, MUNI, and BART service on my channel. Make sure to check them out.